Let's understand about different ARIA roles and attributes and how to implement them in code. ARIA roles and attributes are used to add additional information to HTML elements to improve the accessibility of web content and applications for people with disabilities. Here are some examples of commonly used ARIA roles and attributes. Role equals button indicates that an element is a button and can be activated by clicking or pressing the Enter key. Role equals link indicates that an element is a hyperlink and can be activated by clicking or pressing the Enter key. Role equals navigation indicates that an element is a navigation landmark, such as a menu or a list of links. Role equals region indicates that an element is a region of the page that is important or relevant to the user, such as a main content area or a sidebar. Few important ARIA attributes are aria-label. Provides a text alternative for an element, such as a button or an icon, that is not clear from the element's text content. Aria-expanded indicates whether a collapsible section of content is currently expanded or collapsed. Aria-expanded indicates whether a collapsible section of content is currently expanded or collapsed. Aria-disabled indicates whether an element is currently disabled and cannot be interacted with. Aria-describedby identifies an element that provides additional information about the current element, such as a tooltip or a description. Here is an example of how ARIA roles and attributes can be used in HTML code. In the example above, the ARIA roles and attributes provide additional information about the purpose, state, and properties of the HTML elements, making it easier for assistive technologies like screen readers to interpret and interact with the content. Role equals navigation. This role is used to define a collection of navigational elements, such as a menu or a toolbar. Aria-label. This attribute is used to provide a label for an element when there is no visible label. Role equals progress bar, and aria value now. These attributes are used to indicate the progress of a task. Role equals alert, and aria live. These attributes are used to announce important information to the user, such as an error message or a confirmation message. Role equals tab list. Role equals tab, and aria controls. These attributes are used to create a tabbed interface. These are just a few examples of ARIA roles and attributes. There are many more available, and it's important to use them correctly and in accordance with the WAI ARIA Authoring Practices Guidelines to ensure that your web content is accessible to all users, including those with disabilities.